In this video, we listed the 5 best ELEGOO 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ELEGOO MAS for Ultra. The ELEGOO MAS for Ultra is a high-performance 3D printer designed with advanced features for precise and efficient printing. It boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD with an impressive 8520 by 4320 resolution and 18 mxy resolution, protected by a durable 9H tempered glass. The printer operates on a powerful Linux OS with 4G RAM, ensuring smooth and fast operation without delays. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless file transfer over 2.4G and 5G networks, eliminating the need for cables. The 4-point leveling system simplifies setup, requiring only one leveling for consistent results, while the laser-carved build plate improves adhesion and reduces print failures. Additionally, the printer includes a user-friendly 4-inch HD IPS touchscreen with support for 12 languages, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. With its innovative features and robust construction, the MAS for Ultra delivers high-quality, reliable printing performance. Number 2. ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra is a high-performance 3D printer designed for precision and efficiency. Featuring a 10-inch 12K mono LCD with an impressive resolution of 11520x5120 and an XY resolution of 19 by 24 micrometers, it allows for the creation of highly detailed models with exceptional clarity. The printer offers a large build volume of 218.88 by 122.88 by 260 mm cubed, 8.62 by 4.84 by 10.24 inches, enabling users to print larger objects or multiple smaller models simultaneously. Powered by a new Linux OS with 4G RAM, it ensures stable file transfer and faster operation for a seamless printing experience. The Saturn 3 Ultra also supports Wi-Fi file transfers with speeds of 6 to 10 megabits per second and compatibility with both 2.4G and 5G networks, providing flexibility and convenience. Its reliable performance is enhanced by a 4-point leveling system, a laser-engraved build plate for strong adhesion, and an advanced ACF release liner film for faster printing. Durable and user-friendly, this printer is built for both productivity and precision. Number 3. ELEGOO MAS for Resin 3D printer. The ELEGOO MAS for is a high-performance 3D printer featuring a 7-inch 9K mono LCD screen with an impressive resolution of 8520 by 4320, ensuring exceptional model quality and accuracy. It offers a maximum printing speed of 70 mm per hour, enhancing efficiency. The printer is equipped with a COB UV light source with 36 LEDs, providing uniform light distribution for realistic model details and an extended service life due to its advanced heat dissipation structure. The upgraded laser-carved build plate ensures stronger adhesion for better printing success rates, while the Z-axis linear guide rail design adds stability to the process. The MAS for utilizes the Voxeldance Tango slicing software, offering 3 printing modes, model preview, and progress tracking via a 3.5-inch touch screen. Additionally, the GOO slice format is open source and compatible with various slicing software. To ensure optimal performance, users are advised to properly configure machine parameters, add model supports in the slicing software, and clean the resin tank after printing. This printer is designed for precise and efficient 3D printing with user-friendly features. Number 4. ELEGOO Neptune Max 3D printer. The ELEGOO Neptune for Max is a high-performance 3D printer designed for ambitious projects, featuring a massive build volume of 16.53 inches by 16.53 inches by 18.89 inches, 420 by 420 by 480 mm, making it ideal for large models or multiple smaller objects. It ensures precise and excellent printing with input shaping, pressure advancing, and acceleration sensors for automatic calibration, reducing vibration impacts. The self-developed dual-gear direct drive extruder with a 5.2:1 reduction ratio provides powerful extrusion and smooth filament feeding, while the 300 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle with an extended hot end design and ceramic heating element supports various filament materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon. Additionally, it features efficient cooling with double-sided fans and model blower fans to enhance print quality and prevent warping. The printer is user-friendly with multiple connectivity options including Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN, allowing for easy file transfers and quick printing setup. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune for Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune for Pro is a high-performance 3D printer designed for precision, speed, and versatility. Featuring Clipper firmware and a powerful processor, it achieves an impressive printing speed of 500 mm per second, significantly reducing production time. Its robust all-metal guide rails on the X and Y axes ensure greater precision, while the build volume of 225 by 225 by 265 mm accommodates various projects. The printer includes segmented heated zones to optimize power consumption and heating efficiency, as well as a self-developed dual-gear direct drive extruder for smoother filament feeding and reduced clogging risks. With a high-temperature 300 degrees Celsius nozzle and an extended hot end, it supports a wide range of filament materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon. The auto-bed leveling system with 121 points ensures quick and accurate leveling, while powerful cooling fans enhance print quality by preventing warping. This 3D printer is compatible with laptops, personal computers, and smartphones, making it a versatile and efficient tool for creators.